Welcome back, everybody. The future of eye correction and the number one fruit for healthy eyes. What if you could improve your eyesight without laser or surgery? And what if one fruit could help support your eye health today? One of the best fruits for your eyes is the kiwi. It's packed with vitamin C, lutein, antioxidants that help support healthy retinas and may reduce oxidative stress in your eyes. Now here's the futuristic part. Scientists are developing a technique called electromechanical corneal reshaping. Instead of using a laser like LASIK, it applies a tiny direct current or a DC electricity to gently reshape the cornea's collagen. That could one day help correct nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism without cutting away cornea tissue. Keep in mind, this technology is still being researched and isn't available as a standard treatment yet. So while kiwi can support healthy eyes today, this breakthrough could change vision correction tomorrow. Would you try it? Follow for more future tech and health innovations, and thanks for listening.